Hi guys and welcome. So today we are going to be decorating the living room and the dining room and getting ready for Thanksgiving as well as Christmas. We got a new Christmas tree this year because we typically go and buy a fresh tree, but this year we wanted to change it up a little bit, and this is what we got from Amazon. I think it looks gorgeous. I love how it has pine cones and little white berries in it. So before we start decorating, we are going to just have some dinner. I have some stewed chicken cooking on the stove right now, and then we're gonna make a little bit of hot cocoa. And I can promise Santa's coming. So this is the hot cocoa I got from Home Goods, and if you haven't seen my hot cocoa bar video, I'll leave a link right above. Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long. We're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true.
Now that we have our hot cocoa and we're done with our dinner, it is time to put up the Christmas tree. Now this is the first time we're opening the box and putting it together, and it's really quite simple. Just put each part into itself and make sure that the arrows are pointing in the right direction.
It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
We're going to bring
and another Christmas
It's such a charm.
basic triangles.
I don't know what it's
Gonna
we
roll
want.
it. Already stressed out for anything.
You said
We got three Christmas trees.
Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing.
So this is the first time we've ever had a flock tree, and they are absolutely beautiful, but let me tell you, I was choking from all the flocking coming off of the tree and getting into my eyes, but you know what, I guess beauty is pain. I also didn't have to fluff the tree that much. It was
pretty perfect. All the pieces on it were nice and spread out, but yet it had enough branches on it where it looked really full, and you just kind of had to take some of the branches that were just folded over from being in the package. But other than that, I had no problems putting this tree up. And now we are going to get ready to start decorating. We wanted to put this topper on that we had last year, but we realized that it just wasn't going to work for this tree. And now here is a close-up of the tree while it's lit, and I just think it looks so pretty. I love how the flocking looks like real snow, and there's pine cones in there with flocking as well, and then the white berries just give it a nice little touch.
When I've been naughty and nice,
so I wasn't sure how I liked this garland that didn't have any flocking on it, but I think it looks okay with the tree. I want to know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like the contrast of the flock tree with the plain garland, or would you rather see a flocked garland as well?
Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread.
So I find that stocking holders can be quite expensive, and when you have a family of 5 like we do, they can really add up, like $50 or even more. So I find that using just command strips and having them backwards like this is good enough, and you can always use your wreath or your garland to cover up the command strips, and it works just as fine and just as well as a mantle hook, and for a fraction of the price. So at this point it was getting late, so we took the boys upstairs and got ready for bed, and then we picked it back up the next day in the morning. So I'm just cleaning up some of the flocking that got on the ground, and then the rest of the things that are laying on the couch and on the floor, and so we can finish with the decorating.
For you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Day, we'll be side by side to see this year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation, sing, all ye cities.
And now we're just going to be putting away a couple more of the items that we have, some reindeer, some nutcrackers, and here's the finished result, at least for now. Obviously with decorating things can always change, but this is what we got for now.
Adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today?
And now that the living room is done, we're going to head over to the dining room. And I just want to make a quick and simple tablescape.
Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me.
So I like creating a tablescape by layering in some pieces. So I have this pretty neutral table runner from Amazon, and then I'm just going to add this garland I also got from Amazon and put it in the middle. And then I will be using the other garland from, I believe it was Target Dollar Spot last year or the year before.
Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me. It was the night.
These birch candlesticks were also an Amazon find, and I thought they were really pretty. I really like the way that birch trees look, and I like the effect on them, so I picked these out for the tablescape. I thought I got some candle holders, but I guess not. I'll have to look around, maybe go to some thrift stores and get some brass ones I think would look cute, or maybe some black ones if I could find some. And the little white houses are from the Target Dollar Spot. And now I am going to start cleaning off the chairs. Sometimes the cat likes to climb up on the chairs and lay on them.
Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on,
while cleaning the windowsill, I noticed how dirty the window blinds were, so I went to go get my duster, and now I'm going to be dusting the blinds while Abel is going to be vacuuming the floors.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
And now I am setting a place setting for 4. We use this area during Thanksgiving, and this video will be going up after Thanksgiving, so I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving and you were able to spend time with family and stay healthy and safe. And this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys have a happy holiday season, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Home with Lace. And if you are new, thank you for watching and watching this far, and thank you to all of my subscribers who continue to come and watch each and every video to its fullest. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got a little bit of inspiration for Christmas and for the holidays, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Christmas